2006 in Blender. In the last video we made a house, and in today's video we'll be continuing coloring it. Without wasting much time, let's get started! Basically this is where we left off in lesson 5. Really, I don't like the roof, so I'm going to extrude it. We could of course scale it, but without wasting much time I'm just going to do it. Let me select the roof. And now I'm gonna extrude it. We're not gonna do the option-y thing. Just extrude it. Okay, now let's get started with the coloring. Make sure you're in material preview mode, then go to your material properties. I'm gonna adjust the base color a little bit. So I'm gonna go to RGB. I'm gonna make this 0.9. I'm gonna make this 0.9. And I'm gonna make this 0.9. Now I'm gonna paint the glass first. So I'm gonna add a new material. Now I'm gonna go to base color, make a red 0.75, make green 0.75, and make blue 0.75. Now I'm gonna go to metallic and increase the metallicness. I'm going to decrease the roughness to say 0.1. And now I need to select my windows, not the roof still. Now I'm going to assign it with this material, so assign. Now I'm going to rename this as glass. So I'm going to double click and rename it. Now if you look at this glass is not transparent. So if you want to make it transparent, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go to settings. And make sure blend mode is at alpha blend. That just made it see-through. Now you can adjust the alpha, which is basically how transparent the object is. Now that is transparent, but I don't want my house to be so transparent. So I'm going to go back to the original one by going to blend mode and going to opaque. Now that looks better. With all these big windows, this is going to be a modern house. So I'm going to try to make a metallic finish on the front frames. Let me select the frames quickly. And I'll also select these. Let's try to get a metallic finish on these. My favorite color is red, so this might be looking weird, but let's see. So I'll add a new material. I'll go to the base color and make it red. Just a little bit of adjusting my color. Okay. Now I'll increase the metallicness and decrease the roughness. Let's go on and assign it. And let's see how that looks. My mistake, that does not look bad. Let's see what happens if I adjust the color a little bit. Make it a little darker there. Decrease the roughness. So let's move on to the roof. I'll try to get some reddish gray. Let me add a new material. Then I'll apply to my roof. I'll make it darker here and go down to red. Let's see how it looks like when we apply it to the roof. So I'm going to select my roof. I'll select my brown and assign it. I'm gonna click away. I'm not really sure if that's a reddish gray, a brown, or a black. So let's move on to the base. We could adjust these colors later. Let me quickly name this. So I'll name this roof. And I'll add a new material now. I'll go to my base color and make it darker there. This is gonna be for the base. So now I'm gonna select the base. Let's see how this looks like. I'm going to select this material and assign it. That's not bad. Wait a second, I forgot the back of my house. Okay, I'll assign that. Yep. Okay, let's move on to the garages, my window frames, and the door. I'll add a new material and I'll be trying to get a dark wood-like texture. I'll make it dark there and brown. So now I'm going to select them. Okay, now I'll select my new material and assign it. That looks good. Maybe I'll apply the same color for the ones near to the roof. So let me select them and assign. How about the other panels too? Now I'm gonna paint my main body red. This might be weird, but I'll adjust it if I need to. So I'm gonna select it. Now I'm gonna add a new color. Add new base color. Let's make this red, no green, no blue. Let's see how this looks. Sign. It does look horrible. Okay, I need to change this, so I'll get some. I don't think I could get it any better. If you guys are creative, get it better. The other way to make this better is by using realistic materials like brick, shingle, and wood. That we'll learn in the next video. Till then, bye bye!